Hey, I'm Alan, owner of AK Airbrushing and Autobody. I am the automotive side of this youth opportunity program. Been working on it for about 7 years now with Flabob Airport and West Coast Air Creations. We figured some kids might have more interest in automotive and classic cars or even the newer cars, and that was a perfect opportunity for us to help out. In the beginning, we concentrated more on the at-risk youth. We're looking for kids that had trouble with school or getting a job or anything like that, and our goal was to help them. What we do is we'll start them in our detailing side of the business. We teach them how to wash cars properly, clay bar, polishing, paint corrections, and even to ceramic coatings, which is a big industry now. From there, we'll move them to tires, try to teach them tire sizes, how to check tread, mounting and balancing proper. That opens their doors to working at tire shops or mechanic shops. From there, we'll move them to the auto body side of this. We'll teach them everything from stripping paint, correctly, using the proper primers and paints, delivering dent removal, collision work. Teach them about different paints, classic restoration jobs to what collision and insurance work is now. If they pick up there, then we'll even move on to custom paint, airbrushing, graphics. That's something that's been a passion of mine. So as they end the program, then I'll work on a custom project with them. And we've been doing skate decks. It's something they can relate to, something they could hang in their wall and just feel proud of what they can do. And now in the recent years, what we've been doing is pushing them to go to school and continue that education. Some of my latest kids in the program, they've gone to RCC and are working on getting certificates now for what we're doing here. So we hope that keeps growing.